Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an account on Shopify on your phone. So first I will go to open my Google Chrome web browser, and then now I will be typing Shopify. So I will leave the link for Shopify in the description of this video, because we have a special link that if you're using, you will get 90 days for $1. So you will pay only $1 and you will receive 90 days when you're using our link. So only if you're using our link you will get this 90 days. So after you click on our link, you will come to this page. So when you come to this page right here, what you will do next, you will type in your email address that you want to create your store. Make sure you use your personal email address. So after you add your email address, and you will see this option to start free trial. So just click on it, and then for a better views you can turn your phone sideways, and then it will be turned to a bigger screen, which will help you more. So when you scroll down, you will say an online store. They will ask you what you want to create. Depending on your need, you can choose any of these options. So I will choose an online store, and then when I scroll down I will click on next, and then after clicking on next, they will ask you which of these describe you. So I'm just starting, and then just click next, and then here they will ask you what product do you sell, and then I will choose my service, which is drop shipping product, and then I'm going to click on get started. And then when you click on get started, so you will choose a password, and then after you choose a password you will click on login, and then you will have access to Shopify. So after you have access to Shopify, you will be able to continue building your store. I will leave you a link in the description that will be showing you step by step how to build a nice successful Shopify store. Until next time, see you in the next video.